Hello guys, welcome to Nusha Styles, a brand new video guys. Today I'm just sharing a little bit what I'm up to, how you are enjoying your summer. Guys, I've got some nice videos coming up. A few friends have taken me out, so yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, if you never see my face. If it's your first time, please give us that subscription. It's for free guys, just press that red notification button as well, which is the bell, and press the actually red button that says subscribe. Is the other way around. Thank you so much guys, and let's crack on with this vlog. So today is the day that I'm taking these curtains, and I mean the set of curtains and cushions to the post office. So my client had paid and everything is good to go. Everything is done now, and yeah, I just have to package up and take that to the post office. Please keep me company, and don't forget to comment as well and subscribe if you're new, like I said in the beginning of the video. And I really appreciate your company here. I mean, watching my videos, it means the world. Guys, YouTube is a bit funny platform, a very funny one, and I noticed that the channel is not growing at all, which is very discouraging. For some people, they probably will laugh at me, but I have a passion for this. I've been doing or making videos since my daughter was a tiny baby. She's now 13 years old. You know, I had a big gap, 7 years without uploading anything. I believe that's the main reason why my channel has completely declined. I did have one or two videos popping up a little bit, but not much really. Sometimes I'm divided about the content because I love perfume, I love fashion, and the whole intent was for me to really have this channel as fashion and fragrance review, but type of channel, right? But I enjoy also home cooking, the whole 9 yards. I mean, everything about me. I thought I will share in this platform, but I probably have to restructure and you know, go back to the drawing board and see exactly what I should be doing in this channel, or if I should open another channel. But this is my baby. Every time I think about it, giving up in this channel here. I've got a little pain in my heart, I have to be honest with you guys. But yes, don't forget to like, I mean, because that first of all motivates me to carry on. You know, it's very painful when you upload so many videos and people perhaps watch but they don't like or share or what have you. But yeah, please, just a bit of motivation, because I don't get anything at all having I haven't monetized this account. Guys, you guys can see it clearly. I'm not getting anywhere with this channel, but it's my real true passion. And yeah guys, just that little like and that little comment that helps the algorithm to pick up and see that people actually enjoying these type of videos. Thank you so much. I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm going to get on packing these lovely items for my lovely friend and slash customer.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down,
This was a big challenge for me to be able to package, guys. Because I want all the fluffiness. I want to keep that in there. I didn't want to, sort of crush everything into like a box or anything like that. I wanted to arrive to the customer's property in a way that it would still look beautiful. So I was really trying out, like, trying to tie these piece of fabric around it, see if I can fit. But eventually, I just managed to, I had to definitely, use the old method. I wish I could pack like the Chinese. You buy a huge thing and they package in a way when you open it's like it just comes out and inflames. Not inflames, not the word. It's just plush and still nice, right? That's what I mean. But yeah, so I'm just here trying to put as much sellotape as I can to just really keep the package not too large. Eventually I sent it as a parcel force. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just finishing off, sellotaping it all and stuff like that. As much as I love to do sewing, sew things, make things in my own hand is the best therapy ever in the world. And you can make beautiful things, beautiful things. You can make your own clothing, you can make your house look beautiful, all of that jazz. I have to say, the mess, it requires one to have a room designed for that, 100%. So I'm heading to the post office, guys, and I'll take you guys with me. The post office right now. Okay. We got the two big box. These are the packaging. Sending off now. So these these pair of curtains I got these a year or 2 years ago from Vinted. Is like cloth. This cloth material is heavy, nice cloth material. I'm not a fan of this type of design at the top, but for the time being I will just have this hanged while I still like under construction. Really, I can't really decorate the way I want to decorate the apartment at the moment. You guys can hear the fire alarm still ongoing. Okay, so I'm gonna have to hang this. I'm just like, gosh, beyond me. This man's screaming at me on the phone because I called back to tell him that the flooding is still on. He needs to send the repairers, and he's telling me, oh, he's been. I said, he's been. He must clearly have seen that every resident are outside. So he literally shouldn't be inside the building himself. Anyways, I was just yapping and just, carrying on because the guy was just making up lies, saying that he'd been to the building. He left a note saying that he actually been and he fixed it when I actually was outside due to the fire in the tower block once again. And yeah, so when I called back, the other guy was shouting at me, saying that the engineer being. I said, you can hear it clearly. The fire alarm is, I mean, audible for everybody in the world to hear. Okay? And he was being rude, like threatening me, saying that, or if the problem being fixed, you see what's going to happen. I was like, you shouldn't actually be working with the customer services, because, how can you even say that to a tenant? Anyways, that was that. The drama never ends. But let's carry on with this. Trying to sort out, freshen up a little bit. This place is full of dust. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also give us a follow at Nusha Styles on Instagram, please. Oh gosh, I didn't realize how heavy the pole was. I mean, these curtains are pretty long, and they're like, those rock cotton, like denim type of has got that heaviness of a denim, yeah, jeans. But I'm not a big fan of the design. But it did freshen up, make it made it look brighter, and yeah. So fridge gonna be moved tomorrow to the kitchen. So the guy's gonna help me put that back there, start getting some type of a normality, hopefully. So yeah, I can't wait. I mean, it's a very slow progress, but everything is a process in life. I've learned that everything is a process. You can say, hey, it dropped, it came off it. But yeah, those are small things anyways. The wallpaper in the ceiling is falling apart. That was just such a terrible idea. I know people do a wallpaper the ceiling, as well, but this one is just peeling everywhere, and you can see every single gap, where the seams are, and it's very annoying. But I'm not focused on that at the moment. I'm just trying to get back to normality. If you enjoy this type of videos, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share with the family and friends, and thank you very much. It's not doing what's supposed to be doing. It's not giving what's supposed to be giving at the moment. Nothing is working. Nothing is bloody working at the moment. Thank you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.